wind project happened because the customer had a flooding issue in their home. So we went in and they wanted to keep their existing backsplash. So we had them come by the shop and we found some 3-centimeter Istanbul Granite that would go beautifully with the backsplash they wanted to leave in place. And then we added 2 modern pop-up charging units. If she needs to plug in any of her utilities that she uses in the kitchen, all she's got to do is hit that pop-up valve and then she can use the plug-ins to plug those items in. They decided to use a new stainless steel sink, and then they really liked the beveled edge detail that we went ahead and put on the granite when we installed it, and it turned out very, very well, and the customer was very delighted with the way it turned out.